Hey there. So this area has been recently mulched quite thick to reduce weeds. This kind of wood mulching is problematic for a couple of reasons. One, if it's done too close to the roots, as you know from many videos prior for me, you're going to end up with girdled roots and a sick tree. The other thing is that high wood mulch content like this can actually cause a depletion in nutrients available to plant roots. It forces the microbes in the soil, provided that you've got healthy soil with microbes, to shift from nitrogen release to nitrogen consumption. It has to do with the carbon, the amount of carbon in the wood. I won't get into the details of that unless someone wants me to. But basically what you're doing is putting your plants into a starvation mode. So they're over mulched up to the trunk of the tree. That's going to cause girdling issues. There's going to be a lack of aeration. There's going to be symptoms of drought and nutrient deficit. And again, as I've also mentioned before, hopefully you've heard it before anyway, this time of year when the rainfall can be few and far between, it's really important to make sure that you're watering your trees beyond the canopy, because the primary roots involved in nutrient and water uptake are beyond that canopy line, that drip line. You're going to be wanting to water them every 10 days without precipitation for about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so more than 10 days, no rainfall in the hot spring and summer months, you want to water that tree beyond the drip line for about 30 to 40 minutes. So I've been watering this tree for a couple hours now, putting in parts, giving it 40 minutes per section, and that should help it get through to the next rainfall event. If you don't do that, that tree is going to suffer, and that suffering may not show up right away, but you might even see it next spring. Reduced resources mean reduced cell function on a variety of levels.